Hi guys!
Good morning! Welcome to Wiltec Harley Davidson of Cavite.
We are located along Emilio Aguinaldo Highway, Anabotudi, Imo City, Cavite. Now we have here the Lowrider ST Tobacco Fade Enthusiast Collection. Yan.
The price is 1,809,000 pesos only.
Yan. So now what makes this special, sir? This is the Tobacco Fade collection. As you can see, this is the Tobacco Fade, the paints. Yan. And then the commemoration of the Rockstar. Yan. And then, ang isa pa niyang naging special dito is ito, Enthusiast Collection. The Enthusiast Collection. So, sir, if I may, I will open this one for you.